Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid. Today we are going to learn chapter number 1 in SST, and the name of the chapter is The Earth in Space. As I have written the objects here, after this chapter we are going to learn or we are going to know that what these all topics or what are these objects are basically. Okay, so first of all there is an introduction. In introduction I will just inform you or tell you that Earth is a huge sphere in the space. Okay, and what the book says, the Earth is like a huge ball we call shape a sphere. It is not quite round but it flattened from up and from down. Okay, this is a small introduction of the Earth in space. After that we have second point, men in space. The men which are moved to the space or go to the space are known as astronauts, and they go to research about the Earth and related to the Earth, what are their other planets and what are all of the things which are in space. Okay, so the astronauts have that work. After that we have third point, which is space probes. Basically, space probe means satellites or spaceships. These all are the devices, or we can say machines, that astronauts use in the space. Like for traveling to the space, astronauts use spaceships, and for taking the picture or to get the information of the space, we use satellite, and from the satellite we transmit that data to the Earth. Okay. After that there is a fourth point, which is orbit. Orbit is the path of the Earth around the Sun. Okay. Basically these all points are called Earth. Fifth point is axis. Axis is an imaginary line. Okay, that moves from upward to downward or downward to upward, means north to south or south to north. Basically the Earth is 23.5 degrees centigrade tilted. That's why this north and south pole not are on the center of the Earth, but they are somewhat tilt from that area. Okay. After that there is the equator. Equator is also a imaginary line, but at the middle of the Earth. After that there is a hemisphere. Hemisphere means, as you know, that equator divides the two parts of the Earth by the help of imaginary line, that the two parts are known to be as hemisphere, means half of the Earth. After that there is a cardinal directions. The cardinal directions are those directions which we use from the compass, like north, south, east and west. After that, point number 9, rotation. Earth, as you know that Earth have a rotation. Okay, rotation means moving on its own axis. As you know, I have tell you that Earth has an axis, means imaginary line. Okay, so it moves on its own axis. Okay, after that, all on a sorry, this is not the axis. Basically, this is an orbit, not axis. Okay, so rotation means moving to their own orbit, that is known to be as rotation. After that we have number 10 point, rotation. Rotation means the running the Earth around the Sun, that is known to be as revolution. Okay. After that we have some points, that how rotation and revolution effects on Earth, or the effects of rotation and revolution by Earth. Okay, causes day and night. Due to rotation, day night will change. Okay, after that, different season and climatic condition change due to the revolution of the sun. Okay, places those are close to the equator, means those places which are at the center line are very hot, and likewise the places which are away from the equator are have a different season or have a different temperature. Tilt of the earth causes places at the north pole. Okay, those places which are on the north pole, and because of the tilt of the earth, those places have 24 hours daylight and 24 hours night. Okay, so we have learned all these points, all these objects in this chapter. So after that, you all know that what is Earth in space, and you can easily get the information, and you can easily answer the every question from this chapter or of this topic. So thank you very much. This is our topic. Okay.